Starting your own clothing brand has always sounded exciting until you actually try to do it. You come up with an idea, spend hours looking for inspiration, realize you need mockups, then someone tells you that you also need a factory-ready tech pack before a manufacturer can even give you a quote. And suddenly, that simple idea feels a whole lot more complicated. But AI is starting to change that. So today, I'm gonna show you how to go from a simple clothing idea to original designs, multiple product variations, realistic mockups, and even a production-ready tech pack that you could actually send to a manufacturer. My name's Alex if you're new, and when you're ready, let's get right into it. So here's what actually kills most clothing brands before they can even start. It's not the concept. Most people have a really good idea, but it's actually the gap between your concept and the thing that the factory can actually work from. And that document is called a tech pack. It's the spec sheet that tells a manufacturer exactly what you want. Measurements, fabric weight, construction details, trims, hardware, labels, colorways. If it's incomplete or wrong, your sample comes back wrong. And now you're in a revision loop that adds weeks and money to a timeline that was already tight. And to get a proper tech pack made, traditionally, you'll need a technical designer. That's usually a freelancer, usually a few $100s for a single garment, or someone in-house, which most solo founders don't have. And even then, the back and forth between the designer, brand owner, and manufacturer takes a lot of time. So by the time you have a first sample in your hands, usually you've spent months and a ton of your own money and haven't even made a single sale yet. And that's what stops most people from starting. But what I want to show you today is what that process looks like now. And the tool that I'm using for this is called Genpire. So let me walk you through this entire platform before we get started. Over here on the left-hand side, you'll see products. This is where everything you build lives. Brand DNA is where you train the platform on your brand's identity, things like colors, aesthetics, style direction. Mood board is your visual brainstorm and reference space. Assets library is for logos, PNGs, reference images, and studio is where you create marketing visuals from the product you design. Lifestyle shots, e-commerce flats, social content, all AI generated. Below that, you've got your connectors. This is where you link your Shopify or your Wix store directly. Then manufacturing, which is the RFQ and supplier communication section. And messages, where you talk directly to suppliers inside the platform. So here's what this entire process looks like. You build your brand identity first, then your product design, then specs, then hand it off directly to a manufacturer. So let's go through it all. So first thing is your brand DNA. This is what makes Genpire different from just generating a product image in a regular AI tool. You set your brand identity once, and then everything you build after this point stays consistent with it automatically. Colors, aesthetic direction, style language, the AI learns it and applies it without you having to redescribe it every single time. So you can paste your store URL and it'll scan and extract your brand automatically. Then you can fill in all the basics for your brand name, category, tagline. Then you want to go ahead and fill in your color palette with your actual brand colors, and then you can get more specific with keywords and material preferences, which matters when you get to the tech pack, because the AI is going to use all of this information to inform what it recommends for fabric weights, construction details, and all of that. So once you fill in all of this information and save it, every product you build from here on out inherits this identity. And that's the point of this. Consistency without having to fill in all of these details every single time. So next up is your mood board. This is the visual reference step. Before you touch product design, you want to lock in the direction. Think of this as the way a creative director would brief a team. You're collecting the references that define the aesthetic, imagery, color palette, context, silhouette direction, and this feeds directly into product generation. So it's not just decoration, it's actually influencing what the AI outputs. So make sure you guys spend a couple of minutes here. The clearer your mood board, the tighter your first product concepts will actually be. So now that we've got all of this filled out, let's build our first product. All right, so to get started with our first product design, you guys want to go back to the homepage right here. We're going to create a new product. You guys can either select describe your product and fill in a prompt right here, or you guys can go ahead and upload any designs that you already have made. We're going to start entirely from scratch. So go ahead and describe whatever it is you want to design. So for this, I'll say relaxed heavyweight crew neck sweatshirt, drop shoulders, ribbed cuffs and hem, washed, finished, and muted tone. Let's click create product and see what it comes up with. So rather than generating something immediately, it's going to ask you a series of questions That way it can fine tune your design and make exactly what you're looking for. So make sure to fill out all these details before it designs anything. So it's gonna start by asking us what pocket configuration we'd like. I'll say no pockets for this design. For the stitching detail, we'll do standard stitching. For the neckline finish, let's go with raw edge neckline, and we will have it generate all the sizes for us as well. So you can go ahead and review your size guide right here, make sure everything lines up accordingly. And then when you guys are ready, let's design it. All right, so here it is. Here's the concept for our crew neck sweatshirt. This looks really good already. The proportions are right, the aesthetic matches everything we just asked it for, and this looks exactly like something you'd see on a top fashion brand's catalog. So I'll say something like change the color. And let's see what it comes up with instead. So it gave it like a nice vintage faded green color. I like this one a lot better already. And you guys can edit anything that you want to on here. We can go back to the prompt and we can type in change the style. So you guys can make any changes to any of these products that you want to. Make sure to adjust these accordingly until you have the product that you have in mind. Then once you're satisfied with this original design, we can generate all the different views, the front, the back, the side. This way we can get an accurate picture of what it's really gonna look like and pass all these details off to the manufacturer later. So when you guys are finally happy with this, let's continue on to the actual specs. And this is the part that most people couldn't do themselves without a technical designer. And this sheet's just gonna have everything from your product details, the basic specs, all of your product information right here, the style, the fit, the materials, your colors, your secondary colors, the actual finish, all the construction details. It's even gonna generate some flat sketches for you on here. This way it just makes the manufacturing process so much smoother for everybody. And you can create technical sketches, components, close-ups, print files. You can even edit your labels and tags down here. So when you guys are satisfied with all of these details, we can go ahead and continue to the actual handoff. This is basically a quality control checklist that goes to your supplier with the spec sheet. Now, before we talk about ordering a sample, I want to show you guys the product studio because this solves a problem that most brands run into immediately. When you guys are in pre-launch, you have no product photography. You have no lifestyle shots. You have nothing to post, nothing for your store, and nothing for ads. And getting a shoot done costs money that you haven't even made yet. Studio generates marketing assets from the product you just designed. Photorealistic lifestyle shots, editorial scenes, e-commerce flats, all from the same design. No camera required. So we can go ahead and select the product we just made right here, and let's come up with a lifestyle shot for it. And take a look at what this just came up with. That's a campaign ready image from a product that hasn't even been sampled yet. You can put that on a landing page today and start building a wait list before a single unit is even manufactured. And one more step before we can actually launch our brand. So to order a sample right here, we can go ahead and select the quantity or how many of this we actually want to order. We're going to go ahead and select our destination country or where it's shipping to. Then you're going to enter your city, your street, your address, how you actually want this delivered to you, whether it's air freight, sea freight, or land and road. Is this your first time manufacturing? Select yes if it's your first time, or no if you have experience. Any additional notes for your supplier right here. And then here's how this all works if you've never done this before. You're gonna go ahead and get your sample quote. Production starts on it. They stay in touch this entire time, and then they ship your sample to you. From there, you can decide whether you like it or not, if you want any adjustments made, and go ahead and bulk order whenever you're ready. But it's literally never been easier to go from a product idea to creating it like this and ordering samples all within a few minutes. Genpire is by far one of the easiest ways to start a clothing brand in 2026. And you can do this for any product you want to sell. T-shirts, sweatshirts, hats, socks, shorts, anything. You design it all in Genpire, create your tech pack, and send it off directly to a manufacturer. And then you can have samples in your own hands within days. So after trying out Genpire, you'll realize that it removes one of the biggest bottlenecks in starting a clothing brand. Having an idea has never been the hard part. Turning that idea into something that's organized, professional, and ready to hand off to a manufacturer, that's where most people get stuck. But this workflow makes that process dramatically faster. But like any AI tool, the quality of your output depends on the quality of your input. The more detail you give it about the fabric, fit, construction, and overall direction, the better your results are gonna be. So if you've been thinking about starting a clothing brand, this is definitely something that's worth a try. I'll leave a link for you guys down below in case you wanna check it out. But that's all I've got for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.